a good color. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, the car leaving today?
No, falta los caliper. The caliper blue, no looking good.
Yellow, right?
Yellow. Welcome back, everybody. So today here in our wrap studio, we have this all new Ferrari GTC Lusso. As you can tell, it's in a matte red finish. In addition to the matte red wrap, we did the yellow tire stickers. Goes very well with the yellow Ferrari logo. And then we got the yellow Ferrari badges on the fender in the front. The gentleman requested the door jambs be done as well. And if you look at these door jambs, you can't even tell. So the whole car is done in and out in the matte red finish. Alright, so guys, we're currently working on this Rolls-Royce Wraith. We also do body work, as you guys know, and we work with all insurance. This car actually came from Tampa, Florida. The whole front end was crashed. While we're doing the body work, the car came with the stock wheels, but now it's sitting on 24-inch 4Giatos. This car is gonna get wrapped in a two-tone finish. So anybody, you know, if you're doing your body work and you tell us, hey, I want my car customized, we could also do it. This Rolls-Royce is gonna get a beautiful transformation, and it's gonna hit the road back like brand new. Next to that Rolls-Royce, we have this beautiful C8. If you guys are wondering why it's all apart, it was not in a wreck. It's actually just getting customized. So we had to do all of this in order to install these hinges for the new Lamborghini doors that we put on the car. Bang. This is the new color it's gonna go. This is the 3M gloss light green. We already have the calipers matching. Anybody that wants to take their C8 over the top, we could do it all, from the doors to the wrap, to the rims, to the calipers, to the lights. The paint has so much swirls. It's gonna get cleaned up first, and then we're gonna do a paint correction. We're gonna ceramic coat it. We already powder coated the wheels. I'm gonna add a nice blue design to that. We did the ceramic window tints for anybody. We have this blue shade. Everybody been asking a lot. I want that Mercedes S-Class glass looking thing. Now he got that S-Class windshield, and it's beautiful with that blue. This is the all brand new 2023 Range Rover first edition long wheelbase. I was born to. All the chrome, all the gray, actually. These cars come with like gray. If you look at that range right there, they have all these gray accents on all of them. Gray letters, the grille, this, the bottom, the side panels, goes on the list. And we did little details of gold, just to give it a nice finish, something different. You know, some people go crazy, put stripes, you don't gotta do all that. Put little details. We did that there, we did that on the front Land Rover on the grille, and we did full chrome delete, tinted out, ceramic tint, and then the car is fully ceramic coated. You could see your reflection. You could tell it was done properly, because black, you see it instantly, especially in natural light. Unfortunately, another front end damage. Yo, Bruno, what happened? You no working?
Yeah, I'm looking the video.
What happened? What happened here?
Check it out.
Let's see what he's watching at work.
The guy crazy. Check it out.
Oh, damn. All right, I'll give him a break. That was a tough video. Oh, holy. Bring that to Autosport, even though that's a totaled car.
Bring it for Autosport repair. Right away.
More video, papa. Guys, we also do bikes, Can-Am bikes. Check this out. Motorized windshield, baby. Look at that light bar, it's blinding me. And don't mind the dust, it's about to get washed up, guys. Yo, let me see the muffler. Okay. You hear that difference in the muffler? Guys, another completed project. So this car was in a high gloss black finish all around. We did a 3M 2080 matte black on the full SUV, and everything that was chrome or silver was transformed into a high gloss black finish, including the rims and the cap and the calipers, roof racks, everything. And right here, guys, the TVs that I tell you about, these are displays, touch screen, internet, YouTube, Netflix. That's me on YouTube, guys. 4G Auto Warehouse. It's me in front of the shop. And then, you know, we had to do it. The Starlight headliner, guys. Look at it. Check it out, guys. Matte black with the gloss black trimming.